नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण माय इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक स्टँडर्ड 9 या पाठ्यपुस्तकातील युनिट 1 पोएम 1.1 वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर ही कविता आपण सविस्तर पाहणार आहोत. तर चला पाहूया. वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर. इट इज द फर्स्ट पोएम ऑफ 9th class. Now we shall try to see the warming up activity. There are two activities are there at the beginning of the poem. The first activity is chit chat activity. In this activity there are three questions are provided here. We have to frame the group of 4 students, or we may do this activity in pair also. Okay. We have to use these questions to start a conversation with your friends. Means we have to start a conversation with help of these three questions with our friends. Okay. Means A will ask the questions to B and B will answer these three questions. Okay. And remaining 2 students, they will listen this conversation. Okay. In this way, turn by one in turn, all the students, they will ask the questions to each other and other students, they will answer. In this way, look here. Are you talkative person? It means talkative म्हणजे बोलका किंवा बडबड्या. आर यू टॉकेटिव्ह पर्सन, तुम्ही बोलका किंवा बडबड्या व्यक्ती आहात का? ओके. मग याचं उत्तर तुम्ही असं द्यायचं आहे, यस आय एम अ टॉकेटिव्ह पर्सन, or we may also give the answers of these questions. No, I am not talkative person. Okay. The next question is this: do you like to share your thoughts? Okay. It means share म्हणजे चर्चा करणे किंवा वाटणे. ओके. मग याचं उत्तर असं द्यायचं आहे तुम्ही की यस आय लाईक टू शेअर माय थॉट्स विथ माय फ्रेंड्स, किंवा नो I don't like to share my thoughts. In this way, we may give the answers of the second questions. Okay. Now, the third question is this: what would you like to do after 10th? म्हणजे 10वी नंतर तुम्हाला पुढे काय करायला आवडेल? याचं उत्तर आपण असं देऊ शकतो की बाबा आय वुड लाईक टू डू सायन्स आफ्टर 10th, किंवा आय वुड लाईक टू डू आर्ट्स कॉमर्स आफ्टर 10th. In this way we may give the answers. In this way we have completed this first activity, chit chat. Keep in mind, in warming up activity, one by one all students, you have to ask to each other these three questions and carefully you have to understand. Look here, one more thing I want to tell you. Students, not to ignore this type of the activities. Deliberately you have to do these activities, because with help of this activity, just like in Marathi, thembe thembe tale sache, means by doing this activity regularly, you can communicate with your friends or family members. Okay. So you have to deliberately do this activity, not to neglect. Okay. Do this activity in 5 minutes. If now you have friends to do, you may do this activity with your friends, and if you are at home, you may do this activity with your family members. Okay. Now we are going to see the next activity. The name of the activity is my thoughts. Instructions is here: frame groups of 4 to 6 students and discuss the following with your friends. Okay. In the group, and then complete the sentence. Means there are incomplete sentences are given in 3 activities are there. Okay. We have to complete this activity. Look here, the in a square, I would like to talk to, this is the common, it is a first part of the sentence, and here 6 half sentences are provided. And one example is also given here. Look here, I would like to talk to my mother about a swimming lesson. Okay, in the same manner, we have to complete the remaining sentences. Just like I would like to talk to my father about gardening. We may also do this sentence in the next way. I would like to talk to my father about school. Okay? The next sentence, now we are going to see about teacher. Okay, look here. I would like to talk to my teacher about studies. Okay, or we may say or do the same sentence in this way. I would like to talk to my teacher about my mathematical problems. Okay, look here. The next sentence now we have to complete. uh, I would like to talk to my best friend about study. Okay, or we may also do the same sentence in the another way. I would like to talk to my best friend about homework. Okay, look here. Now the last but one sentence is here. I would like to talk to my grandparents about their health. Okay, तुम्ही कुठलंही तिथं नवीन घेऊ शकता. आय वूड लाईक टू टॉक टू माय नेबर्स अबाउट इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ क्लीननेस. Okay, in this way we may do this activity. Keep in mind, this is the one more thing I want to tell the students, not to ignore this activity also. Deliberately you have to do. We often need to communicate our thoughts and feelings with others, but sometimes we freely explain or communicate, and sometimes we are unable to communicate. Is it right? In a different way or various reasons. Now not too afraid, we have to communicate with our friends. Look here, now we are going to do the second, means B activities here. uh, in this activity, the middle part of the sentence, means middle part of the sentence is blank. Okay, now we have to fill this and complete the sentence, and common part of the sentence is in square is provided, चौकटीत दिलेला आहे. आय वूड लाईक टू लर्न टू, म्हणजे मला हे शिकायला आवडेल. मग कुणाकडून हे सांगायचं आहे आपल्याला, किंवा कुणाकडून काय शिकायचं आहे, हा मधला सेंटरचा भाग पाहायचा आहे आपल्याला. I would like to learn to play chess from my cousin. It is the provided example. Okay. Now we have to complete the remaining 4 sentence in a different answer. Okay, or different using new ideas. I would like to learn to play cricket from my best friend. Okay. We may also give the same questions or sentences answer in the different way. I would like to learn to play piano from my best friends. I would like to learn to swim in whale from my best friends. In this way. Look here, the next sentence now I am going to do. I would like to learn to tell stories from my grandfather. Okay, we may also do the next sentence in this way. I would like to learn to swim in the whale from my teacher, or we may also do the same sentence in the different way. I would like to learn to draw picture from my teacher. Okay, the next sentence now we want to do. I would like to learn to sing a song from my neighbors, or I would like to learn to plant trees from my neighbors. In this way, we have to do the B activity in group. If you don't have the friends now at home, you may do the same activity by sitting in the group of your family members. Okay, now the last activity. Now I am going to see. Look here, see activities here. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 half sentences are given. Okay, the middle part of the sentence is are blank. Now we have to complete it, and the common things is provided in the square. I hesitate. Hesitate म्हणजे काकू करणे किंवा संकोच करणे, बरोबर आहे. आय हेजिटेट टू टॉक टू माय म्हणजे मी हे बोलायला संकोच करतो. कुणाला? माय. माय म्हणजे माय फादर, माय ब्रदर, माय सिस्टर, माय ग्रँडपेरेंट्स. इन दिस वे वी हॅव टू राईट द रिस्पॉन्स हिअर. ओके, लुक हिअर. I hesitate to talk to my teacher about my studies. Okay, or we may give the another answers to the same sentence. I hesitate to talk to my father about my studies. Okay, the next sentence now we are going to do. I hesitate to talk to my mother about the way she talks to my friends. Okay, the next sentence now we have to use brother. Okay, about what I would like to do in future. Okay, मग I hesitate to talk to my brother about what I would like to do in future. समजलं? The next sentence now we are going to do. I hesitate, मी संकोच करतो किंवा काकू करतो बोलण्यासाठी टू माय कुणाला? ग्रँडमदर अबाउट हाऊ आय वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माय हॉलिडेज. चालेल? छान. और we may use the another relations name also. I hesitate to talk to my mother about फेवरेट मूवीज. चालेल? म्हणजे मी माझ्या आईला माझ्या आवडत्या चित्रपटाबद्दल बोलायला संकोच करतो. किंवा आय हेजिटेट टू टॉक टू माय फादर ऑल्सो असं बोलू शकता अबाउट माय फेवरेट मूवीज. आणि लास्ट हाफ मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्स इज नॉट प्रोव्हाइडेड हिअर. नाउ ट्राय टू कंप्लीट इट. आय हेजिटेट टू टॉक to my father about the thing I want to buy. Okay, friends, you have to complete all those sentences by using your own ideas and expressions. Okay, you may take 10 minutes to complete all these 3 activities. Okay, if your friends is not available with you now, you may complete this activity with your family members. Once again I want to tell you not to ignore or neglect this activity, because deliberately you have to do this type of the by doing this type of the activity your communication level will be increased. Okay, the next part of this poem we shall see in the next part. We shall complete this poem in 3 parts. Okay.